Imagine if you could say just a few words and instantly create a deep, almost mystical connection with any woman. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the reality. Words are powerful. The right words spoken at the perfect moment can ignite emotions, spark curiosity, and build attraction in ways most people overlook. Today, I'm revealing 6 hidden phrases that do exactly that. These aren't just words, they're psychological triggers that can help you stand out, escape the friend zone, and create undeniable chemistry. And trust me, the last phrase is so powerful that most guys are too afraid to use it. But those who do, they instantly separate themselves from the rest. So stick with me till the end because you do not want to miss it. Phrase 1, that's what I like best about you. This phrase takes compliments to a whole new level. Instead of saying something generic like, you're beautiful, you're pointing out something specific and meaningful. For example, the way you talk about your passions is so inspiring. You have this energy that's hard to ignore. Notice the difference. This isn't just flattery, it's recognition. Why this works: everyone wants to be valued for more than just their looks. When you highlight a unique detail about her, something that makes her different, it creates an instant emotional connection. Imagine telling her, the way you laugh is contagious. It's impossible not to smile around you. Or, I love how you listen so deeply. It makes conversations with you feel different. Timing is everything. Use this phrase when the moment feels right. Maybe when she's laughing, sharing a deep thought, or revealing something about herself. The key is authenticity. Say it when you truly mean it. Why this is unforgettable. When a woman feels like you see her in a way others don't, she won't forget you. Phrase 2. I'm not really that easy. This is the ultimate power move in any interaction. Most men try to be overly available, always eager to please, thinking it will win her over. But here's the twist. When you say, I'm not that easy, it completely flips the script. It sends a signal that you have high value and self-respect, that you're not desperate for attention or approval. This subtly challenges her perception of you, and in turn makes you more desirable. How to use it. Next time she playfully teases you, tests you, or even flirts a little, just smirk and say, I'm not that easy. The key: confidence and a playful tone. She might respond with curiosity. Oh, really? What do I have to do? Then that's your chance to keep the mystery alive. Just smile and say, maybe I'll tell you someday. This keeps her engaged, intrigued and eager to know more, because here's the truth: the moment she feels she has to earn your attention, she values it even more. Phrase 3. I am not sure if you are capable of handling me. This phrase is all about playful confidence. It subtly flips the script, making her feel like she has something to prove. And that's an incredibly attractive dynamic. Think about it: the moment you say, I don't know if you can handle me, her mind starts spinning. What does he mean? Why wouldn't I be able to handle him? What's so special about him? And just like that, you've sparked curiosity. How to use it effectively: say it. With a smirk and a playful tone, the delivery is everything. If she teases you, brags about something, or tries to one-up, you respond with, I don't know if you can handle me. Why this works? It's not arrogance, it's a challenge. You're playfully making yourself the prize, which makes her want to rise to the occasion. And the best part, it keeps the interaction fun and engaging. The moment you make a woman feel like she has to earn your attention, she'll be even more interested in keeping it. Phrase 4, I don't believe you're prepared for me yet. Now this is where things get really interesting. This phrase works like magic because it taps into 2 powerful psychological triggers. The fear of loss. Nobody likes the idea of missing out on something special. The allure of scarcity. People naturally desire what seems rare and exclusive. The moment you say, I don't think you're ready for me yet, she instantly starts wondering, wait, what does he mean? Why wouldn't I be ready for him? Is he different from other guys? And just like that, you flip the script. Instead of chasing her, you've made her feel like she has something to prove how to use this phrase. Effectively, keep it light and playful. This isn't about pushing her away, it's about creating a fun challenge. If she playfully brags about something or teases you, respond with, interesting, but I don't think you're ready for me yet. Why this works, it subtly communicates that you're the prize, that you have value, and that you're not easily won over. The more she questions what you mean, the more invested she becomes in proving you wrong. Here's the magic. Once she starts trying to prove she is ready for you, the game has already shifted in your favor. Phrase 5, you have a unique personality. I like that. Let's start with something subtle but incredibly powerful. This phrase isn't just a compliment, it's a mystery. Think about it the moment you say, you have a unique way about you, I like that. Her mind starts racing. What does he mean? What's so special about me? Why did he notice something that others didn't? And that curiosity, that's exactly what pulls her in. Why this works most. Guys compliment the obvious. Her looks, her style, her smile. Well, those are nice. They don't make an impact. But when you highlight something deeper, something she might not even recognize about herself, it makes her feel truly seen. Maybe it's the way her eyes light up when she talks about her passions, or the confidence in her voice when she makes a strong point. Noticing these small details shows that you're paying attention, not just to her appearance, but to who she really is. Pro tip. Say this phrase with a slight smile and steady eye contact. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Your tone, energy, and body language will turn a simple sentence into an irresistible connection. Try this the next time you're talking to a woman and watch how her reaction changes. Phrase 6, I prefer women who know what they want. This phrase is a total game-changer. It's not just a compliment, it's a challenge. Most men try too hard to impress, women seeking approval and giving generic compliments, but when you say this, you're doing something different. You're setting a standard. You're showing that you have self-respect. You're making her prove she fits the description. Here's how to use it if she asks, what do you look for in a woman? Instead of giving a predictable answer, like someone who's kind and funny, you hit her with, I like women who know what they want. Suddenly the dynamic shifts. Now she's thinking, do I fit that description? What does he mean by that? I need to prove that I'm that kind of woman. Why this phrase works. Women are naturally drawn to men who have standards and self-worth. When you communicate that you expect a woman to be confident and decisive, it signals that you're not just another guy hoping to impress her. You're someone she needs to impress too. Pro tip. The key is casual confidence. Say it naturally without trying too hard. And watch how the energy between you shifts instantly. These 6 phrases are more than just words. They're powerful, psychological tools designed to create intrigue and curiosity, show confidence without arrogance, make you stand out from every other guy, shift the dynamic so she's chasing you. But remember, it's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Deliver them with confidence. Keep your tone playful and relaxed. Enjoy the interaction rather than trying too hard. Try these phrases in your conversations and watch the energy shift in your favor. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing tips like these. And stick around, the next video is already live, where I dive even deeper into the art of attraction. Click here to watch it now. See you there.